Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a little paper boat. So what you're going to need is some paper that is a square shape, and optionally you can use crayons too. I'm using this big box. So the first thing you're going to have to do is take the paper and fold it in half. And turn it around and fold it in half again. And now you should get this little diamond thing. So now what you're gonna have to do, here comes the tricky part, is to take the first flap in the front, just one of them, and fold it down. You can turn it around to make it easier. Now you have to flip it around and take all the rest of the flaps and fold it down as well. And you should get this little triangle here. And now you will find these two little folds, and all you have to do is just open them up and then press them together, press the both ends together, and basically kind of fold that area too. Now you have to turn it around and just pull on both of the ends, and you will have a really good boat. You might do some adjusting to make it prettier and better looking, which is totally fine, and that happens to everyone. Now time for the color. So now I'm done coloring, and I colored one side blue, turquoise, and green. And the other side I did pink, purple, and red. So boys will like it and girls will like it too. So let's try to test this out. So here I have a bucket of water. I'm gonna place the boat in. So it doesn't really move on itself, so you have to blow it, which is totally fine too. And I really like this experiment. Make sure to try it at home, and you will find it very easy. It was very easy for me, just a couple of times to practice, and it was very creative. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!